I know some of you must have heard of the word SaaS on social media, and you've been wondering what SaaS really is. That's why I'm making this video, to give you a broader view and a better understanding of what SaaS really is, how SaaS works, and the impact of SaaS on the human lives. And also in the video, I've gone ahead and explained what the future of SaaS looks like. So guys, join me on this journey as I explore what SaaS is, how it works, and the impact of SaaS on businesses worldwide. In the world of digital transformation, business innovation, and seamless solutions, one concept is revolutionizing the way we work and operate, and that is SaaS. SaaS stands for Software as a Service, and SaaS is a software distribution model where applications are hosted on the cloud and made available to users on the internet. SaaS shifts the tradition of purchasing and installing software locally on our devices to a subscription-based system where one can just pay for subscription and sign up for a software and accesses it anywhere in the world remotely, as long as they have a device and internet connection. And since we now know what SaaS is, let's now cover the advantages of using SaaS both as individuals and business owners. SaaS offers unparalleled flexibility, which allows you to work from wherever you are in the world as long as you have a device and internet connection. Whereby before that, one had to have a fully set up equipment and they had to purchase and install software locally on their computers for them to be able to use the software. But with SaaS, once you pay your subscription, you can use the SaaS applications and softwares anywhere in the world as long as you have your device, whether a computer or a phone. You can always access it as long as you have your internet connection. SaaS is also highly scalable, adapting to your needs as your business grows. And this saves time, and it is also cost efficient as it eliminates the need for the costly in-house infrastructure. Like I said before that, you had to have a full setup of a computer and then you had to purchase software maybe like on a DVD or a CD and then had to bring it back home and install locally on your computer. But with SaaS, wherever you are, you can always just log in on your SaaS software and then go ahead and use it remotely as long as you have your internet connection. So guys, those are some of the advantages of using SaaS. And next we shall be covering some of the features of SaaS. And as we said, SaaS means software as a service. Some of the key features of SaaS include a wide range of business applications and software, from project management to customer relations management to email and data analytics. Accessing SaaS is as simple as opening a web browser or opening a mobile app, making it so user-friendly and highly accessible. Some of the cases in our daily lives where we see SaaS being used is whenever we go to small businesses like stores or maybe small restaurants, and then we make a payment. What the store owner uses for payment and printing the invoice or a receipt, that's what we call SaaS. So in this case, small business owners can be seen using SaaS applications to make and manage invoices for their small businesses. This can be done on both desktop and phones using mobile phone apps. And this shows how SaaS is so user-friendly. But all in all, the real magic of SaaS lies in real-time data synchronization. That's the biggest step that innovators have taken in creating SaaS. Like in SaaS, we see real-time data synchronization than how it used to be, like where you had to transfer your software to a hard drive or maybe to a flash disk and then had to get your flash disk and then transport it to another device. But here in SaaS, You can easily transfer your data from one device to another in real time, and this saves us a lot of time, and also we save more whereby we don't have to buy extra gadgets or hardware that people were buying before. But since we have SaaS, we just sign up and then easily transfer data from one device to another. And the people that will benefit more from SaaS are the business owners, since they can always access and update information seamlessly. And now let's look at the future of SaaS. What do you think that the future holds for SaaS? And I know some of you are now wondering that, okay, SaaS might be great, but won't it be like the NFTs? You know how the NFTs came with the bubble, and then after 1 year they collapsed and people made losses. So I know that many of you are there asking yourselves whether SaaS won't be the same as NFTs. Let's look at the future of SaaS. How does the future of SaaS look like? How will SaaS look like in the next 5 or 10 years? That's why I'm making this video, so that we can project and see what the future lies ahead of SaaS as an innovation. When talking about the future of SaaS, we are talking about advanced AI integration, enhanced security, and even more tailored solutions for different industries and niches. The SaaS ecosystem is evolving, becoming the backbone of modern business operations, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. In the world where adaptability is key, SaaS is at the forefront of innovation, enabling businesses to have an ever-changing landscape. As technology continues to advance, SaaS will remain the driving force behind efficient, collaborative, and scalable operations. And for some of you who are still confused about what SaaS really does, things like Shopify is SaaS, like how you pay for subscription on Shopify is SaaS. Things like AI, like when you're scrolling through your Instagram and then you see a certain AI ad coming up telling you to pay a certain amount of dollars so that you can change someone's picture into a cartoon character. That is SaaS. And for those that make YouTube videos, when you're looking for the best software to edit your videos, and then you find a certain software that tells you to pay a certain amount so that you can edit and then enhance your videos, that is also SaaS. So if you're a small business owner, or if you're someone that is looking to start a business soon and you haven't tried SaaS, I encourage you to explore SaaS and make use of it, since many other small business owners have started exploring and making use of SaaS, hence saving money and time while running their businesses. And if you've reached this part of the video when you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also give this video a thumbs up so that algorithm sends it to more other people that will find this video informative. Thanks for watching.